Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today guys, we have this look here thanks to the Alyssa Edwards palette. If you guys want to see how I came up with this beautiful colorful look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, we are here, we are ready. We have our brows already filled in, as you can see. I have my eyes also prepped with some concealer and set with some powder. And we also got the tape because we're gonna go in with some bright and darker colors today, you guys. We'll take out this palette if you own it. This is the ABH and Alyssa Edwards palette, you guys. Go grab it. Pause this video real quick and come right back with the palette. We are gonna do a look together today. So you really wouldn't think to do much with this palette because these brights and everything, but honestly, don't get scared of these colors. These colors can be so much fun. Makeup is supposed to be fun. Don't take it seriously. Just take time out of your day and just practice. Come up with some beautiful looks. Try it on. You can always take it off and try again. But I absolutely love palettes like this. It just motivates me to create something that I normally wouldn't wear every day. So it definitely takes me out of my comfort zone 100%. And you know what? I'm feeling the bright colors a lot lately, as you can tell in my videos. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna go in with the shade, the Supreme. We're gonna go with the Supreme first. So grabbing that shade with a Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn collab brush set. I'm gonna start off with this shade in my crease as our transition. I'm going to be using this shade as our transition shade just to start off the look. I'm definitely gonna be going with that pink 100% right over this one. Just wanna start off light and then slowly build up the, you know, with the shadows. Alright, now I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to grab the Sigma blending brush. This is the E25. And now I'm just going to grab Texas Made, which is this hot pink in the palette. We're going to grab that shade and we're going to apply that right over the first shade. And we're going to blend that right in to the inner corner just like we did the first shade. Alright guys, now we're gonna go in with the shade Dreamin', which is this beautiful like cobalt blue. Also has a little hint of like a purple. So we're gonna be grabbing that shade, and this is a JH40 brush. I'm just going to be applying that right here on the outer V right here. I don't really want to add too much, you know, too close to the pink, but I am keeping it very low. And if you want, just go like this, just so you can see where it's going. Want to make sure you want to pack it on first, just like that, and then blend into the crease. Like stick that brush in the socket of the eye very carefully, because again, this is a darker shade, and you know, you don't want to apply that where you don't want it. Then it's going to be a little bit more difficult to blend out. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the purple. This one is called Believe It. And I am going to be grabbing a MAC 242. And I'm just going to be applying this shade right next to the next to the blue, just like that. So basically this shade is going on the mid center of the eye. Alright, so now for the inner portion of the eye, I'm going to be grabbing the JH41 brush, and I'm going to be grabbing the shade Beyond, which is this one here. All right, so I'm gonna stop right there with the eyes. I am going to remove the tape and then add some lashes. Today's lashes, I am going to be going in with my favorites. These are the, what are these called? These are the Kiss Lash Couture Royal Silk Lashes, and these are beautiful. So I'm going to apply these and then just clean off whatever fallouts, and then we'll move on to the rest of the makeup look. All right guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on. I removed the tape and I also cleaned off any fallout that I had on my face. I also added a little bit of the liquid eyeliner from Too Faced. This is the Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner, and you guys, I have to say that I have been so good with my liquid eyeliner lately, and that's thanks to this right here. If you have been struggling, I definitely recommend you guys picking this up and trying it with this, because it has been super easy and I've been really happy. I am going to be going in with the NYX Bear With Me Sunscreen Daily Moisturizing Primer with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. I just got this and I already love it. Kind of reminds me of the Smashbox Professional. Wait, the Smashbox, what is it? What is it? It's the moisture, hold on, I have it. This one right here. The only difference is that this one I don't believe has SPF in it, but this one does. And honestly, it saves you a step because it has the primer already in it. And honestly, you guys, I really, really like it. So it's going to protect you from the sun, and also it's not supposed to leave like a white cast. I really haven't tested that out, but that's what it says. It's not supposed to leave a white cast or anything when you take pictures. So if that is true, this is amazing. It's this one here. Definitely try it out. And also I'm gonna test it out myself, but I did take pictures with it and it really didn't leave a white cast now that I think about it. So it's pretty damn good. I'm also gonna go in with the NYX Bear With Me Revitalize and Set. It's this one here. This is also with Cannabis and Sativa Seed Oil. It's supposed to prime the skin and gives a healthy look, reduces the appearance of pores, and hydrates for 8 hours. So we're gonna add a little bit of this. We are prepping our skin today, you guys. So for foundation, I am going to be going in with this one here. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this one is in the shade Golden Beige. I'm going to be going in with a sponge, of course, and I'm just going to apply this all over, you guys. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this one's in the shade Medium Beige. I'm gonna go in with this one because it has a little bit of a peachy undertone, and I kind of have a little bit of dark circles because, you guys, my sleep schedule has been completely off. I've been going to sleep super duper late and it's starting to show. So we're gonna add a little bit of that first, and then we're gonna go in with a different concealer right on top. All right, so now I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape right over top of that concealer. And this is just gonna give us a little bit more coverage. I don't wanna add too much because I don't want it to get cakey under there. So I'm gonna go in with that one. And by the way, this one is in the shade Medium. I'm going to be grabbing my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm just going to be grabbing some of the product here with the brush, swirling that in there, trying to get enough product, and then I'm just going to apply this on the skin. All right, so now I'm gonna grab my e.l.f. sponge and I'm just going to soften up that bronzer. Now I'm just gonna grab a little bit of RCMA powder and I'm gonna set my under eye. All right, guys, now I'm going to set the bronzer. I am going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in the shade Shady Biz. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, let me flip it the right way and give you a look at that. Isn't she pretty? I love the packaging. The only thing I hate is with this packaging, it leaves your fingerprints all over it, so it always looks dirty. And honestly, I am not clean with my makeup. I am so careless with it a majority of the time, where I'm just like, whatever. But I love the packaging. So I'm just going to grab my Kenzie angle brush. And honestly, you guys, it is looking beautiful. I love these two, you guys. The Milk Makeup Bronzer and the Cream Bronzer and the Fenty Beauty in Shady Biz. Oh my god. It just looks so freaking pretty. I know when I first tested these out, I was like, well, first of all, let me tell you, like, this is what happened to it when I pulled this off. But when I tried it out, I was like, oh, I think I should have picked like a darker shade, but honestly, like, it looks so good. It looks amazing, and they work and complement each other very well. So I'm really happy about that. All right, guys, so now we are going to grab that palette one more time, and we are going to finish off the eyes. So we are going to first, what are we gonna do on the lower lash line? We are gonna go in with, you know what? I want to go in with Texas Made. So I'm going to grab Texas Made, and we are going to take a brush that looks like this. We're going to tight line. All right, so now that that's done, I kind of want to go in and add maybe a little hint of yellow. Let's see how this works out. I am going to grab a little bit of Brick Road, which is the yellow here, and apply that right on the inner corner. Let's see how that works. It gives it some light into the inner corner, not so much, you know, with like the shimmers, because there's no sparkle, but the yellow definitely brings a little bit of light and opens up the eye right there, and it looks really pretty. You want to just make sure you blend that out so it doesn't look like you just placed the shadow in the inner corner. All right, so I'm actually going to add a little bit of Inspire because I just have to. So I'm just going to add a little bit over that yellow, and it's probably going to give it a nice little pop, because, you know, gold and yellow usually complement each other very nicely. So I can't see this going wrong in any way. So now I am going to go in with some mascara, and I am going to be going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. For highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with this beauty here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and you guys, I tried these out the other day. So freaking beautiful. These just make you glow. I'm serious. Like, you haven't tried it, go try it. I'm gonna go in with Glow Getter. Oh my god, you're about to see this. I'm going in with the Milani All Over Blending Brush. It's a really good highlighter brush, so watch. Do you see that? I know you do. Don't lie. It is there. It is glowing. It is beaming. It is stunning. So we're gonna add a little more on this side and some over here, the Cupid's bow. We're going in with some on the collarbone and everything to make ourselves glow. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Totally obsessed. I feel like I have a good collection of highlighters right now. All right, you guys, so for lips, we're going bold today. We're going with a hot pink lip liner. This one right here is from Makeup Revolution, and this one's in the shade Cutie. Over top, I'm going to be going in with this one from Maybelline. This one is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, and this one's in the shade Seek Adventure. I'm also going to be grabbing a little bit of this Fenty lip gloss, and I'm going to be using a brush today to apply it. Alright guys, so now to complete the look, I'm going to go in and set my face real quick. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is super colorful, super bold, and I have been totally obsessed with some really bright colors and just creating looks with them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!